G'day guys, we're about to head up to the paddock. We're just going to have a little drill with the halo. We're just going to demonstrate how halo can help you and guide you into getting that hole nice and straight. So bear in mind that the drilling that we will be doing now will be exaggerated. It's not an example of how to drill a hole. We will be jerking it around and moving it into different scenarios so that it shows you when the light goes red or when the light goes green and how you chase that green to get it nice and straight. So we'll go up there, we'll have a dig and highlight to you the benefits that halo will get to you. We're going to set up to start our hole. So we're going to start with a full halo green. As we're going down now, we're going to see it change from a full green as we go here. So the green is at me and then I'm going to get the full green again because I've made that adjustment. So as we go down, so it's still telling me that we're maintaining full. Now it's telling me that I need to come towards that green. So I'm going to pull it through. We've got a full halo green again. So as we go further down, and now I've got a red, so that's telling me I need to push away from that red and chase that green to guide me away from the excavator. So I'll push that out now until we get back to a full green halo, and then we continue down again until we will see it move off there. We move it over to here, so now it's telling me again that my red is there. I need to push away from the red and get the full green again. So it guides me over. Again, we can see that red, push away from that, chase that green. And there you have it. That's how halo guides you down through the hole and gets you nice and straight.